How to change your font in Roblox from your mobile device. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we'll be learning about changing your font in Roblox on your mobile device. So follow the steps. First, if you're using the Roblox application, completely close it from your background and then open your phone settings. From the settings bar, you need to go ahead and tap on the search bar in the top. Now search for fonts. You should see the option like font style or font size and style. Go to font style. Now tap on font style, which is now set as default. Here you can see that I have only 3 different options available, which is Samsung One, Gothic Bold, or Roboto. Tap on download fonts. And from here, you can either download different pre-selected fonts by clicking on download button beside it. Now let's go ahead and download this cool Zaz font. Once it has been installed completely on your device, you'll get this in your font style. Go ahead and choose that. And now you'll be able to use it on your Roblox. If you're using iPhone, you can do the same. Search for general fonts in your settings. And from there, you can either download different pre-selected fonts by clicking on System Fonts, or you can choose a specific font by going to My Fonts. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.